Once upon a time, in a vast and peaceful forest, there lived a mighty eagle, soaring high above the trees. The eagle was known for his incredible strength, sharp eyes, and fearless nature. All the animals in the forest admired him, and none dared challenge his reign over the skies. One bright sunny morning, the eagle perched on a tall ancient tree, watching the forest below. He was exhausted from hunting and needed to rest. With a deep breath, he closed his eyes, allowing the warmth of the sun to lull him into a peaceful slumber. Meanwhile, far below, a small squirrel named Nutty was collecting acorns for the coming winter. Nutty was quick and curious, always exploring the forest in search of food. As he scurried along, he spotted a particularly large acorn hidden near the base of the eagle's tree. Eager to add it to his stash, Nutty raced toward it without noticing the eagle resting above. In his haste, Nutty climbed the tree, accidentally bumping into the eagle's sharp talons. The eagle awoke with a start, his eyes flashing open in anger. "Who dares disturb my sleep?" he screeched, looking down to see the small squirrel trembling beneath him. Nutty, shaking with fear, quickly apologized. "Please, mighty eagle, I did not mean to disturb you. I was just looking for food, and I didn't see you resting up here." The eagle glared down at the tiny creature, but saw how frightened Nutty was. After a moment of silence, the eagle spoke. "You are small and quick, little squirrel, but you have disturbed my rest. Do you know how dangerous it is to wake me?" Nutty, with his voice quivering, nodded. "Yes, great eagle, I understand. Please forgive me. I promise I will never bother you again." The eagle paused, considering the squirrel's plea. "I could easily make a meal out of you, but instead, I shall show mercy," he said. "Go on, little one, but remember this lesson well." Nutty let out a sigh of relief and quickly scurried down the tree. He was grateful to the eagle for sparing him and promised to be more careful in the future. Several weeks later, a great storm swept through the forest, bringing heavy rain and fierce winds. The eagle, flying high above the trees, got caught in a powerful gust of wind and was thrown off course. He struggled to regain control, but crashed into a thick branch of a tree, injuring his wing. Unable to fly, the eagle was stranded on the forest floor, helpless and in pain. He called out for help, but his voice was too weak to reach anyone. That was when Nutty, who was gathering food nearby, heard the cries. Without a second thought, Nutty rushed to the eagle's side. "Don't worry, I'm here to help," he said bravely. Nutty quickly gathered twigs and leaves, carefully crafting a makeshift sling for the eagle's injured wing. With all his strength, he helped the eagle back to the safety of the tree. The eagle, still in pain but grateful, looked at Nutty with admiration. "I never thought that such a small creature could help me," the eagle said softly. Nutty smiled. "Sometimes, even the smallest animals can make a big difference." From that day on, the eagle and the squirrel became the best of friends. The eagle learned that strength wasn't just about power, but about humility and kindness, while Nutty discovered that even the tiniest act of kindness can change the course of a life.